Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Exercise 1C, question number 1. Solve using the quadratic formula. So give your answer into two decimal places. Now the part A is x square minus 10x minus 3 equals to 0. So a standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So it means that the coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is b, and the constant value represent the c. So now the quadratic formula is x equals to plus minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we will find the value of the a, b and c here. So as we know, a is the coefficient of x, but there is no coefficient, so it means it would be 1. So a equals to 1. Then b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 10, so it's equals to minus 10. And then c is the constant value, which is minus 3. So we will substitute the values here in the formula to get the value of the x. So now x would be equals to minus and minus 10. B value is minus 10. Then plus minus root. B square means minus 10 square. Then minus 4. A is 1. C is minus 3 divided by 2 and A is 1. So here x is equals to minus minus plus 10, then plus minus root b square. It's 10 square means the 100, minus minus plus 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. And now it would be equals to the 10 we will keep same and plus minus root 112 divided by 2. So here x would be equals to 10 plus minus the 112 root is equals to 4 root 7, then divided by 2. So at the top one it's 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4. It means that the 2 we will take common. So here 2 times 5 is 10. So it would be 5 plus minus 2 root 7 divided by 2. So now 2 and 2 also will cancel out. So we will write here x is equals to 5 plus minus 2 root 7. So then further we have to simplify, as we know that the root 7 is equals to 2.645 root 7. Now root 7 is equals to 2.645. So after rounding, it would be equals to 2.65. So now we have the two solutions there. The first is plus minus. The two solution. One time we will write with plus. So the second time we will write with minus. First solution with positive, positive. So it would be here x is equals to 5 plus 2 and root 7 is 2.65. And the second solution will, okay, let's first find the x is equals to 10.29, two decimal places. The second solution now we will get for the negative value. So here space between them, and then it would be here the second solution for negative value, second negative. So now x is equals to 5 minus 2 into 2.65. After rounding, so it would be equals to minus 0.29. We will get the negative value there. So x is equals to minus 0.29. So this was the quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, always we will get the two solutions. So we got the two values there. One is the 10.29, second is the 0.29 r. You can also write down together both the solutions. Together means x equals to minus 0.29 and 10.29, the final answer. मुझे नहीं डालना था चूने में. Part B is x square plus 6x plus 4 equals to 0. So now a is equals to 1 because there is no coefficient, it would be 1, and b is equals to 6 and c is equals to 4. So the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's substitute the values in the quadratic formula. So here x would be equals to minus 6 plus minus root. So it would be the 6 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 4, divided by 2 and a is 1. So then x is equals to minus 6 plus minus the square of the 6 is 36 and minus it would be 16 over 2. So further it would be minus 6 plus minus root 20 over 2. So we have the two values, one in positive and negative. So again we will write here first solution for the positive, solution for positive. So one time we will write with positive, one time with negative. X is equals to minus 6 plus root 20 divided by 2. On the calculator we will solve the root 20, which is 4.4. It's here the root 20 equals to 4.5. 4.5. So the answer for this would be equals to minus 0.76, minus 0.76, the one solution. Now the second, we will get right here the negative value. So second solution for negative, it would be x is equals to minus 6 minus root 20 means 4.5 divided by 2. So then x equals to minus 5.24. So the final solution for this, as we can write here, x equals to minus 5.24 and then minus 0.76. 5 and 4. The final answer for the given quadratic equation.